Every day begins the same way, with movement. The world awakens, engines roar to life, lights flicker on, and industries hum again. Behind it all is energy, unseen yet indispensable. At Mazrui Energy, we deliver energy solutions that matter, but energy is evolving, and so are we. With a legacy of excellence rooted in a strong UAE foundation, we are a fully integrated energy solutions company, strengthening upstream resilience, expanding midstream capabilities, diversifying downstream offerings, and advancing clean energy, AI, and digital solutions. Every project we undertake begins protecting our people, our partners, and our community. Here, safety is not a rule, it is a culture across all our product lines. Mazrui Energy Services, engineering and fabrication, delivers world-class machining, manufacturing, and fabrication solutions for the oil and gas, petrochemical, maritime, power, and construction sectors through advanced facilities in Musaffa and Jebel Ali. Certified to ISO, ASME, and API standards, the company specializes in structural steel fabrication, pressure vessels, skids, platforms, machining, advanced welding, specialized coatings, and comprehensive QA with full material traceability. Mazrui Energy Petrochemicals is a leading provider of oil and gas chemical technologies. We specialize in drilling fluids and environmental solutions, your one-stop partner for reliable, efficient operations. Our in-house chemical manufacturing division specializes in the production of high-performance chemical intermediates and advanced drilling fluid additives. We also offer toll manufacturing and blending services, providing tailor-made solutions that enable the energy and industrial sectors to operate with greater efficiency, reliability, and performance. From harnessing the power of the sun, the wind, and the hydrogen molecule to building smarter energy storage and decarbonization solutions, we are reimagining the energy transition journey towards a more sustainable future. We deliver integrated conventional and advanced NDT inspection, repair, and service solutions designed to safeguard asset integrity and maximize operational life across the energy value chain. Driven by a strong commitment to QHSE excellence, our approach ensures reliable, high-quality performance that supports long-term operational resilience and efficiency. From predictive insights that keep industries running to intelligent systems that learn, adapt, and evolve, our end-to-end capabilities empower industries to operate smarter, faster, and more sustainably. As strategic partners, we unlock the potential of ideas, people, and industries. Our investments, spanning transformative technologies, sustainable energy, digital innovation, and future-ready infrastructure, power growth where progress and possibility converge. Safety, quality, sustainability. These are not just words. They are the foundation of who we are. At Mazrui Energy, our commitment to protecting every employee, every partner, and every community remains unshakable. As we evolve, our purpose stays the same: to lead with care, to operate responsibly, and to shape a safer, cleaner, and more sustainable tomorrow. Driving stronger ICV alignment and market adaptability, our vision is to expand into new geographies, introduce innovative technologies, complementary product lines, and forge alliances that deliver value across the energy ecosystem in the global market. We move forward with one purpose: to energize the future sustainably and boldly. Mazrui Energy, your strategic energy partner for sustainable growth.